skills, and you can see where it says Net Promoter Score video. It's about maybe 3 or 4 minutes long.
What are you eating?
If you could you please mute your phones, please?
What is it?
Secret shopper calls that in most cases I've had very good experiences from agents, but in some cases they haven't been such a good experience. And if I were actually looking to buy the product, it would be quite challenging. Somebody's still on open mic.
क्या कह रहे हो?
Somebody's got an open mic, please mute.
Yeah.
Various ways that members complain today. They can obviously call into 1-800-Medicare.
All by yourself, or did me help you?
Please mute your phone. They can call into 1-800-Medicare to file a complaint. They have internal complaints such as member services or other departments. And also through appeals and grievances. And then rapid disenrollments. And sometimes people, when they call in to complain, just to give you an example, they may call in and say, I didn't understand that this service wasn't covered, or I understood the copay to be different. That turns into a complaint. The more common causes are provider fit, incorrect plan type, or incorrect plan information. And this usually occurs if you don't check the provider on the directory, or if you don't check the directory correctly, make sure that the right plan is covered.
Now she knows this by heart.
Also, sometimes during the presentation,
Yeah, but I mean, she knows the picture
talk about
so well that she can
on a particular plan, but end up on a different plan. And of course, incorrect plan information is making sure that you're covering the summary of benefits correctly, double checking your prescription copay, and
So what is the
using
picture of?
cost estimator. And everyone, please check to make sure that you're muted.
Ooh.
Then you can go to Jarvis.
Yeah. What is the picture?
You go on, and there's the quality guide that you can use. It's in the United Healthcare Toolkit.
Then who is it?
The D-SNP Consumer Guide, if you're selling a SNP product, which is located in the toolkit. Provider Search Tool, which is under the Provider RX tab. The RX Search Tool, and the Cost Estimator Tool. Of course, then you can also locate the summary of benefits for the particular plan.
Comienza hasta las 11:30.
The easiest and best way to enroll people into the plan is through Lean or DocuSign using electronic enrollment. And that will help prevent problems with the enrollment using a paper. Everyone here probably knows this already, but I just kind of share it. Don't cut corners. Make sure you're getting the SOA up front. Perform a needs analysis and ask questions. And also check if there's other decision makers. Present the plan using the summary of benefits. Make sure to cover the benefits and a disclaimer.
Did somebody step on it?
Ask for clarification on those points discovered during the needs analysis. and use the tools available and make sure to check the doctors. I would say also make
Why
sure
the
place
funky
placing
things
on the
are?
application. It seems to
Is
be
that why? Because
pretty
your
hard
throat is hurting?
for everyone.
Is that why you have a throat issue?
Hello, Jen. Jen.
What is the little disturbance, Zara? Okay, Alex.
I also showed here on the directory where you go to see if a plan is accepted and
You
just not be
you
looking
can.
at the directory itself.
Oh, I can see your smiley face. I like
I
that
also showed you the frame on the drug cost estimator,
smiley faces.
and that's always good to use as well.
Is your puzzle all complete?
Post sale, leave the summary of benefits, leave your business card, reassure your clients that they've made a good choice based on their
So how long does
situation
it
and
take her to
compensation
complete the
today,
puzzle now?
and remind your clients that they have what they need and that they do not need to sign up for additional drug coverage. Or if they switch plans, they may lose the current plan that they have.
Excuse me, Jen. I'm so sorry to interrupt here.
Go ahead.
I really have a hard time to hear you. So how about I suggest that everybody have the microphone
She
mute
should
first?
memorize the whole thing, so she will just put it together.
Because the very bad echo from I think maybe from Monica or from Sakina. And I really can hear you guys really, really
Now, is she just like Taha, puzzle maker?
All right, let me see if I can.
Yeah, Jen, you
Well,
have
you
a
know, there was
very
a time when
good
Taha could
everyone
make
in
the
the
puzzle
course.
without looking at the picture at the back side of the thing. You know, turn the whole thing upside down, and he could still make that puzzle.
Maybe that's better. Is that better?
Yeah.
All right. I don't. Finally, I guess we got everybody muted.
But I mean, the way she is going, I think she could make it even without the picture because she knows what goes where exactly.
Please remind them that you're their agent. Remind them that if they need any additional information or someone calls them, to call you first before they make a decision to switch. I have ran onto this with several agents where we've had that pop up and people didn't know that they actually had switched plans. Also, another thing that helps prevent rapid disenrollments a lot of times is make sure that you have frequent contact with your new person that you enroll during months 1, 2, and 3. On Jarvis, there's what they call a call conversation talking points if you don't have your own, where you can actually look at doing a general check-in, change in contact info, invitation for upcoming events when we get back to doing events. So you can see the different things here that you can use as a guide to really get you started. Again, I'm just one of the agent managers here. Here's a list of the other agent managers locally that are able to assist you. I do appreciate your attendance today, and I hope that you have a nice day. Thank you. And I will send out this PowerPoint to the people that attended if I have your email address.